Hello, hello, hello. Juan Goñi here. I'm seeing the screen. I'm seeing the air. How are you? Welcome to my store at Amazon, where I will be sharing some of the products that I have tested, I have used, and I like. If I like it, I will share it. If I don't like it, I'm not going to share it because I don't want to share things I don't like. Okay, this one today we're going to talk about audio. When there are two very important things on any video that you are doing. First, the image, the lighting, the camera. And second is if there is no audio, it loses all credibility. Have you seen any wireless microphone? Yes, there are tons. You can spend anything from $10 to 300. So, which one is right for you? Depends on what you want to do. Today I'm going to share this very useful, nice kit that comes with everything you need to do your on-site recordings. You can use it for even for some phone calls, for some interviews. And if you have a phone, an iPhone, an Apple phone that use the Thunderbolt connector, or is someone is going to correct me, it's not Thunderbolt, it's going to leave messages, it's Thunderbolt, Thunderbolt. Let's make it easy. It's not a USB-C. If your iPhone is like mine, it's an iPhone 13. In my iPhone 13, I don't have a USB-C. That's the kind of connector that you need. This is the kit you should consider. You should buy it. It's less than $100. It's around $70. And this one has with everything you need. Has a little pouch with this carabiner that you can attach to your backpack, a protective case. And in this protective case, we'll find, look, one microphone, cute little one. Another microphone, cute little one. And a receiver. This receiver is the one that you plug on your phone. So this one goes on your phone, that's the connector, and this little here thing is the microphone. Now, statics, simple, chargeable. You have two units. You can do interviews. You can use it to your phone with your iPad. Have you seen, in my case, it really bothers when someone of the many of us influencers doing his report and he's talking and using his hand because he's using the microphone, the transmitter on his hand. No, it's supposed to be. That's why it has this little here. It's supposed to be here, attached to your clothing, your tie, your jacket, your t-shirt. So here I have the microphone and it's connected directly to my phone. Perfecto. Never use it like this. And never, never, never use it like this and ask people with this. I'm going through the camera. Yes, I'm good. Okay. Never use it like that. So, how can you transform this little device that we have on the screen into a field microphone or something that is more helpful or useful? Well, here's the solution, my friends. This little stick. This little stick is a handle, but there is no microphone. Voila. You put it here, there is a microphone. So instead of going and saying, hey, this is my report from today, you are more professional. This is Juan Núñez reporting from the White House, and today we're talking to the Vice Minister of pending things. Now, there's something missing. Yes. Well, the kit comes with this little pouch, this hat, this protective wind protector, the same one that I have here in my microphone. This one, it's completely professional. So, Mr. Minister, that's two times in. Do you realize that English is my second language? According to my family, I am fluent in 3 languages. Can you guess which ones? First one is in Spanish. Órale, yo hablo pendejo, hablo español. Second is English. I'm trying. And according to my family, my third very fluent language is nonsense. Well, in this case, you can interview, you can use it, you can change it from blue to red. Each one of this, it's around nine-ish, including shipping. So you have 3 for the price of 1. So you have black, red, and blue. So you can showcase depending on what are you wearing. Today I'm black with black. I'm using the black microphone. So in this solution that today is available, you have 1 microphone, 2 microphone, a handle, so you can use it on the field. You have this wind protectors, hats, and a case where you can store these devices. So you put the microphone here, you put the other microphone here, and you put your recording device, your receiver, you close it, protect it, and here is your charging point that you connect to whatever sources, and then you can have it for multiple hours. It's a 2.4 gigahertz receptor and receiver, so you can use it around 20 feet without any problem. Very simple, very practical, very useful. Available here in the link in the Q code or in the description down below. So you know it. This is my recommendation for the day of today. If you're in the market for a simple, easy to use, small, practical, fully compatible with full of accessories, highly recommended. Remember, I only recommend products that I have used, I have tested, and I have liked. This one is my recommendation in the entry-level microphones for those Apple users that has the right connector. One Goni, see you next time.